Welcome to the 2025 Tiffin display with Colton RV. We've got the beautiful 2026 Zephyr rollout. I'm going to go through it a little bit. We're going to start on the outside. It's got the big massive tires, 365-inch tires. This has got the rock guard, beautiful paint scheme. New thing for Tiffin this year, TV comes out and it swivels. Then under here we got the lights, power slide out tray. They have the LED light strips all underneath. The blue floor lights. Got your a lot of nice extra storage over here. Nice, this is stuff they use in boats, very easy to keep clean, very strong, durable. Docking lights, 14-degree turn radius on the steer tire. Got your battery disconnects, all easy accessible, dual-sided, depth fill and diesel fuel. It's got the Air Force One connection already hooked up. You got 20,000-pound hitch, 50-amp power cord, fuel. The backup guiding lights, 600D aqua hot system. It's got a macerator built in, very clean, very organized. Just the other side of this pass-through storage. It's got the ladder. One great thing this has too is in the front compartment, you got a power generator, but what it gives you is a hot and cold water hookup so you can clean. And having the hot water is great. And I want to show you that. But they got the water spigot over here, hot and cold, so you can hook up a hose and clean and rinse off your coach for the bugs. It's got the 360 cameras. It also has Mobileye on here. You got the Road Watch here, Freightliner. You got the Power Glide chassis. One great thing this also has that's brand new is the Tiffin Power Steer. You're gonna hear a lot about it, but man, you could turn those steering wheel with your pinky. I test drove one, it was excellent. All right, let's go on inside and check this thing out on the inside. Okay, now we're into the inside. This thing is beautiful. They have awesome two-tone cabinetry in here. A few other things that they've added for 2026 is they redesigned their whole dash. With the new comfort steer, they went to a nice push button display in the bus and the Zephyr. Power everything, a phone holder, but this has all been redesigned. The drawers are nice and easy and it's angled better for the driver so that you can keep your eyes better on the road. Great option too with the Zephyr is Starlink is standard, which it's already set up and ready to go for you. One thing I got to mention to you with the Zephyr, the big thing with the Zephyr, look at these beautiful, massive windows. They're like an aircraft grade window for just natural, beautiful light and surroundings. It's awesome. And then they have the power blinds that come down too. You got your 55-inch TV, a beautiful display, the two-tone cabinetry I just love. You have an optional, well, you have the dishwasher, plus they have a new Pets Perk option where you can get a pet drawer and a pet thing outside. It's got the central vac, sweeper vac, but it's got such a sleek look this year with the cabinetry, trying to keep it nice and clean and contemporary. This one's optioned in with the wine refrigerator, which is very convenient. You can set the temperatures. Got the wood grain over the doors, but you got a massive refrigerator right here. Then you got your half bath with the new screens. They re-updated all the computer screens. Also a new option this year is you can get the doggy waggle camera system to help with kind of like a security system, but you got the tilt bed, the fireplace, beautiful cabinetry, TV already built in. Starlink is standard. And you got another beautiful area bathroom with lots of storage. The real big massive shower, which is beautiful. You got your cover up top. This thing is huge compared to other ones that I've been in. This is nice. And then you got your full 605 horsepower Cummins engine that I'm walking on right now, but you got lots of beautiful storage in your walk-in. That's a lot of your equipment, but you got drawers. They got a little jewelry drawer added here. That's something new too. And then you have your traditional washer dryer. And you got shoe storage and stuff, but man, this thing is beautiful. Come out to see us at the Hershey RV show with Colton RV.